We're going to just do this quick little segment just for Lynn, and then we're going to hop over to, we got to talk about GU. All right, look. All right, check this out, Lynn. I'm going to lace you up right quick. I'm going to give you a taste. Do you see this move right here? Somebody said they caught that pullback. They said they caught that pullback right there, that green bullish pullback right here. Okay, let me show you how that's possible. All right, so gold dropped. You can't sell that and you can't buy it because you don't know if that's the end of the drop and you don't know when it's going to actually pull back. So what you have to do is wait to start seeing green candles on the hour chart, not the 30-minute chart, on the hour chart. Okay, so let's start seeing some green candles. All right, there's a green candle. Now I want you to pull out a Fibonacci. And this segment is dedicated to Lynn, helping him find areas of interest. All right. So we're going to drop a fib. And I went from the high to the low because the market started at the top and it dropped. So I went from high to low. Now, did a candle break that green line that y'all see on my screen? All right. Did a candle break that green line, that 23.6? And if y'all screens don't look green or whatever, this is the line right here. I just put a line on there. Did a candle break that green line? Yes. So that means the golden zone is now activated. Okay. So we can delete the fib now. We got the golden zone. Lynn, this is your area of interest. Now it is your job, and this is the hard part. You have to figure out, is price going to go to the golden zone and hold and drop? Or is price going to bust through it and continue to buy? That's where it's going to be. You're going to have to be an advanced trader. It takes time. You have to be taught how to time this up, how to see this. All right. I'm not going to lie to you. Sometimes they're easy. Sometimes they're not. All right. But what I will tell you is this. Whenever you see a big drop like this, normally a pullback is coming. How deep of the pullback? I don't know. But normally a pullback is coming. And you have to know where the pullback is. So we got the golden zone there. All right. All right. Boom. Here we go. So price comes back to this golden zone. You like, man, I'm about to sell this. For one, this is the reason why I have the 50 moving average on my chart. Price just closed above the 50 moving average as it hit the golden zone. The 50 moving average is that green line that's on my chart. That candle just closed above it. I'm not going to buy. I'm not going to sell that. All right. That's the first thing. And then this is advanced, but I'm also going to go look at the dollar index and compare it. That's called negative correlation. Now we get into advanced for you, Lynn. But I'm just telling you, this is what I do, and I can teach you how to do this. So I'm going to look at the dollar and see, hey, is the dollar dropping while gold is sitting right here at this golden zone? Because if it is, if the dollar is dropping, then I don't have any business selling this. See what I'm saying? That's called negative correlation. That's more advanced, though. Right here. So look, this is an hour chart. If you was to sell this, you could potentially get some money from this. But I mean, it's like, look at this. If you was to scalp this, like, okay, I saw a doji candle, let me scalp it. The person that said, I don't like the hour chart because I don't get any action. Do you understand that that's 4,000 points? One red candle with gold is 4,000 points. So what I'm trying to propose to you is, if you saw that doji candle and you happen to take the sale, just get in and get out. That's 4,000 points. That one red candle, I just calculated, is 4,000 points. If you took only 2,000 points of that, that's a payday. Should I sell this? Is it going to continue to keep going down? You got to understand that I've been on here every day, almost every day, telling y'all that the dollar is going to drop. The dollar is going to devalue. Haven't I? Haven't I been on here? Go back and look at my history. I've been on here almost every day telling y'all that. This is the 29th. So if that's the case, why are you going to try to sell this for a long time? Make that make sense. Why are you going to try to sell this when I'm literally on here telling you every day that the dollar is devaluing? That means gold is going to go up. This is the first time that I told you that gold is going to start pulling back. So I've been on here telling you that. So why would you sell this? You get what I'm saying? And the news is what's telling us not to sell gold. The news is what's doing it. So if you did happen to scalp it or get in, just get in and get out. That's it. Because you know overall we're buying right now. What's up, team? This your boy Jay Wayne, and I'm here to tell you that the new Discord is live, up and ready to go. And look, it's better than before. Now everything is brought together. Everybody is learning the same thing. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, that's when I'm looking for trades. All right, so we got the community. You got access to me all day long. And also I teach live Forex class on Sundays at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, that's where I'm teaching you how to master Forex. I'm giving you the game. I'm lacing you all the way up. Very affordable, and I did it for y'all. Everybody's getting everything. All right, there's no separation anywhere. We're all learning the same thing together, and I'm gonna make sure y'all master this and become independent traders. Let's go. Now look at the retest. Boom. From 2025 all the way to when I first started, we were just technical traders. Now we're actually, I pushed myself, and now we're actually fundamental and technical traders. We a beast in the market. We a real problem. We a real problem. So now we understand that the dollar is devalued, is dropping. Gold is going up. We need to wait and see where the area of interest is. Where's the area of interest? It's the golden zone. We need to wait for price to break it then. We need for price to break it. Boom, it breaks it, it retests. You can do all of this on the hour chart. You don't need no 15-minute. You're going to get more pips doing it like this. But if you're a 15, 5-minute, 1-minute trader, do your thing. You know what I'm saying? I ain't hating on nobody. But I'm telling you that you can see a clear picture like the way I'm teaching you. Because we understand the news with everything, we taking a buy. Now we taking a buy. Now we're in position. If I decide to scalp this for 2,000 points, that's my business. If I want to get in, the main thing is where's the stop loss going to go? The stop loss is going to go on the other side of the golden zone. That's the method. That's how you follow the banks. That's my strategy, FTB. Follow the banks. Shout out to Troyce. He traded gold. Okay, these are some I called out some setups, and they be so professional. They be so professional that the trade setups that I sent out like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, they be holding on to them. I be so proud of the team. Shout out to Chris. Shout out to Irwin. Shout out to Troyce. Dude just made a $2,000 trade and making a big withdrawal to pay his bills. Traded gold. He sold gold. And this is all today. This is all today. At 0.35, $2,787 and made a withdrawal. We don't even overtrade, team. We trade 1 or 2 times a day, and that's it. 3 days, maybe 4 days a week. That's it. And we're bringing in the bag. 85% win rate. It's like that.
50 pips a day, watch the money drip. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips